I think 2020 has made me stronger, made me more wiser. It has taught me patience because, that was something which I used to kind of lack. So she thought that I had to come much more earlier to pick her up. So she kept waiting. And then, of course, I was in the firing line. But
वो कहते हैं शादियां ऊपर वाला बनाता है, जोड़े ऊपर से लिख कर आती है, जोड़ियां ऊपर से लिख कर आती हैं। और ऐसे ही एक जोड़ी बनी राजीव सेन एंड चारू असोबा की। इवन दो साल 2020 इन दोनों के लिए काफी ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग रहा है, काफी ज्यादा अप्स एंड डाउन देखे हैं इन्होंने, फिर भी राजीव एंड चारू ने फ्लाइंग कलर्स के साथ पास किया है इस साल को। तो आज मेरे साथ जुड़ेंगे राजीव सेन और वो शेयर करेंगे अपने इस साल के बारे में, a little about his marriage and also his plans to be a father in the near future. तो आइए चलिए जानते हैं राजीव से a lot more insight about his marriage with me, Vishakha Pandit. So राजीव, पहले तो बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है टेनिक चक्कर में आपका and congratulations on the new series though.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Year 2020 has been quite the challenge. What will you say for the year 2020 in one line?
It's a very good teacher. It has taught you so many things. I think everyone, for that matter. At least if I can speak about myself, it has given me a lot of patience. It has made me value more things in life. Be it the smaller things, the kind of things that we take granted for. I think 2020 has made me stronger, made me more wiser. It has taught me patience because, that was something which I used to kind of lack. But, patience in a way where I couldn't go out. You couldn't go to your favorite gym. You couldn't go out to your favorite restaurant. You couldn't travel. And, for me, traveling is like my biggest thing. It gives me the, it's like a big high for me, So, yeah, all those things, being locked up in a house for so many weeks. And it's given me all these important things in my life.
वो पहली बार when Charu actually complimented you in a very witty way, because normal compliments तो चलते रहते ना couples में, so in a very witty manner.
Yeah, I guess in one of our pre-wedding shoots that we did in Mumbai, and there was a lot of media. तो उसमें से एक, I think one of the journalists had asked her something, I really don't know what, but so she had pulled my leg. So I told her, I said, listen, I'm already so tall, so don't pull my leg further because I'm going to hit the wall. So, in a very jokingly, I really don't remember exactly what it was because there were so many interviews that day. And I remember I was so tired, she was so tired, one after another. I think 3 hours non-stop we gave to, I think, 20, 30 news channels. So, yeah, it was that
there, I know.
Day. Yeah. Oh, you were there, right? Okay. Okay.
वो पहली बार जब अपनी गलती ना होने के बावजूद भी राजीव को चारू से अपोलोजाइज करना पड़ा था।
वो पहली बार नहीं, वो बहुत बार हो चुका है। So I guess before we got married.
Do you remember what was it for? कि मतलब ऐसा क्या था जो आपने करा भी नहीं था and you had to apologize?
No, I think it was about dinner plan, and I had to come and pick her up around 8:39 in the night. Okay, and she had thought some particular time in her mind, but then eventually I knew that it was 8:30 or 9 के बीच में, So she thought that I had to come much more earlier to pick her up. So she kept waiting, and then of course I was in the firing line, but.
Now that's become life.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Seeing that how everybody around you is either getting married or, planning their family life ahead, touchwood, everything has rolled out pretty well in the year 2020. But what about आपके लिए और चारू के लिए? When do you see yourself actually stepping in that, कहते हैं ना, what do you call, promotion in life? When do you see yourself getting promoted as a father in life in the future?
So, marriage itself is a very important, constitution. And जब हम लोग शादी करते हैं, ये मेरा मानना है that marriage is not only about my wife and me. It's about bringing in our future children. So I guess when the time is right, we will definitely get into that zone of having a child. I would love to be a father, and she would love to be a mother. Experience that in our life, and why not? We have gotten married. But शादी की बात करें तो every day is a challenge. Good days are there, bad days are there. But it's very important to have a mutual respect and understand understand each other and have the patience to listen each other. I think that's very, very important. वो patience मुझे 2020 ने सिखा दिया है.
I was just about to say the same thing only, that that patience. Sorry, I'm saying I was just about to say कि आपने just बताया कि 2020 ने आपको वो सिखाया है, and I really hope कि when you guys are all set and planned, we should be the first one to actually breaking the news.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hope so. Yes, yes.
Well, thank you so much, Rajiv, and I wish you all the luck for this year ending and also upcoming आपका project. And I wish that you sign a lot more so that we get to talk a lot more.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Fingers crossed. Thank you so much.
Fingers crossed. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, Rajiv.
Take care. Bye. See you.
Take care. Bye. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this fun little candid chat session with Rajiv Sen. I really hope कि आपको ये chat session अच्छा लगा होगा. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.